This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to send and receive files on your Android phone or tablet. So we can just swipe down from the top right and we're looking for the quick share option. So let's go to quick share right now and we can just hold down on this and it'll bring us to the quick share page. And we can just set this up and we got to decide if we want to send it or receive it. So let's go to send on this tablet and then select the file you want to send. Let's do the screenshot, and now it's looking for nearby devices. Okay, so go to your other Android device here. So let's go down, go over, and then here's the quick share option right there. So let's go to quick share, and we can just go to this, and we can go to receive now. And you can see this popped up, my Pixel 7, so we can just tap this. Okay, so I just received a file on there. I can go to accept. Now we can open this up, we can view the downloads, etc. So we can view it in the download section under quick share. And if we want, we can move this to a different area. So we can go to move to, we can move it to DCIM or something like that. So very easy to share photos or something like that. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.